Hey guys, so this video is provided for how to stop taking losses in the stock market in under 3 minutes. So this is my strategy that I use. Other people have talked about this strategy a lot too. But what I use is I find areas of support and resistance, right? Right now we can see on Costco clear area of resistance, and we can see a clear area of support right about here. And what we're seeing here is previously buyers came in, tried to push price above 571, were unable to do so, and price came down, right? So then the second test came here on this particular day, right about here. So if we look at this on this test, we have a breakout, right? So you don't trade the breakout, you wait for the retest, okay? So if you look for the retest here, you're gonna end up saving yourself a hassle because if you pull back, you're already seeing a down move on this particular day, and this is where you can get you can get the jitters where you're like, oh shit, if this stock could potentially come to the downside, right? So you don't want that to happen to you. You don't want to get faked out. So remember, this is your area of support. This is where price bounced from or broke out of. Let this area get tested by buyers. So as we see here, and now it's a good area. This was a good barrier to entry right here. Potential profit price on Costco is 600. Now, giving some examples from the past, looking at some stocks here. So we got AMD. AMD, as you guys can see, consolidated here for a long time, right? So as you guys can see, areas of resistance and support. Try to break it here, unable to do so, rejected, support held. So you can see prices accumulating here, right? So however, you guys can see the amazing breakout that comes with big buying, right? So what you want to see is you want to see buyers hold this level, okay? So if buyers hold this level and price starts consolidating on it, you want to wait for the price to break out of here. You guys can see a breakout and a retest of this breakout happen, and that's exactly where you want to enter right about here. So you have a breakout, retest, and now we're pushing towards the highs. And your first target could be here, which is the previous resistance level. Same thing here, right? So breakout, pull back, and then it goes to all-time highs again, right? So when it goes to whenever a stock is making new highs, it's called price discovery, and I'll talk about that video. I'll talk about that concept in the new video. But this is just about how to take profitable trades. And then when a price reaches a certain area and it fails that area, look, same thing. This is a breakdown, retest of this level. Clearly, sellers are in control, and you can easily enter a short position right about here with a stop loss up here, right? So if you were to take a short position here, so you enter, and your stop could be like up here, right? And your target price, could be, somewhere anywhere between your ratios, right? So if it's a 2 to 1 or 1 to 3 or whatever your ratio is, you can put a stop loss accordingly, right? So this works out perfectly fine because you have, buyers trying to push the price back above this, fails, and then a retest of this level and a breakdown is a great way to re-enter trades. Okay, so this is a strategy which you want to focus on. And so this is a breakout, and you want to see a retest and then take the trade, right? This is how you want to trade levels. If you just focus on this strategy, even for swing trading, your chances of profit increase substantially.